Well, hello random YouTube people. Got weeds? Got a lot of them? Are you tired of getting down on your knees and trying to pull them out, only to find out that you don't get the whole weed? You just rip off the top part. The next thing you know, it's just growing back again? Well, let me show you this awesome product. You might have seen it before. It's a standing weed puller. No more getting down on your knees. Simply put the weed puller on the weed, step on it, and pull it right on out. And you'll see it takes the entire weed with it. Oh, nice. Stick around for some more information about this awesome product.
Subscribe.
There are a lot of weed pullers on the market. They all pretty much do the same thing. I went with this one from WilFiks. What I like about it is it can be disassembled for easy storage. Let's go ahead and see what comes in the box. There are the 3 rod pieces, top, middle, bottom. There are some instructions, and there's also an adhesive if you want to put that on the threads so that this becomes permanent and not disassemblable. Is that a word? The instructions also show how to assemble this, which is pretty straightforward. Just remove from the wrapping. This one with the logo is the middle piece. This piece with the hole at the top is, of course, the top piece. And this piece with the weed puller claw is, of course, the bottom piece. The metal and the bamboo of this product make it feel very durable. To assemble, just take the threaded sections and twist them together. So first we're going to take the bottom claw and then the middle piece. You can see we're just going to twist these threads together. If you are trying to video record yourself at the same time, that could be a little difficult to line up. But eventually these will just start spinning and threading together. You'll want to make sure that they are lined up so that you don't cross-thread this. Especially if you want to be able to disassemble this in the future. If you want these threads to be glued together, you will use the adhesive that comes with the package. Bottom section threaded on, now for the top. And obviously you're going to thread this the exact same way as you did with the last one. Twist to make sure it's nice and secure. Now let's go use this thing. Now I have no shortage of dandelions this year. Lots been going on and I have neglected to take care of the front yard so far, and so we've got an abundance of them. But this is the perfect opportunity to show off this awesome standing weed puller. Making sure that the weed puller claw is open, we're going to center this over the base of the weed. Then we just use our foot to push down so the claw can get to the base of the root system. Then you just push in the direction of that lever. Then you will see the whole weed, including its root structure, will be pulled right on out of the ground. And all you should have left is a hole in the ground where you pulled the weed out from. It's really just as easy as that. It's actually quite therapeutic to do this. It's quite fun, actually. It's really quite simple and even elegant, I would say, on how this works. By tilting the weed puller to the direction of the lever, it closes the claw, which grabs onto the weed. And just using leverage, you can pull it right on out of the ground. It's so simple. As Leonardo da Vinci said, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. Now I'm going to go get all the rest of those dandelions in a time-lapse sort of fashion. Let's go. Center it up, step, and pull. And there's the entire weed with all the root system. Now this is the part that's not as easy. You have to actually manually pull this out of here. There are some of these weed pullers that have an automatic ejection. And usually with those kind, you have to sit and twist the weed puller to twist the weed. And those even say on the website to not use it for rocks and roots and stuff like that, because you can bend those prongs really easy. And that's why I like this kind better. The metal and the claw here is a lot stronger. The bamboo pull is very durable. You just have to use your hands to pull the weeds out of this one. Of course, you can use gloves, but other than that, this thing is really nice. All right, now time-lapse style. Just look at all those dandelions, and this was done in such a short amount of time with this awesome standing weed puller. Now moving on from dandelions, let's see if we can get rid of this kind of clover overgrowth we have on the grass here. These weeds are a pain in the butt to try to pull out by hand, but let's see how well the standing weed puller does. Just following the same principles, line it up, step on it, and pull. Now I'm going to have to do a couple of sections, but it looks like this is already ripping out really easy with this standing weed puller. I'm actually quite impressed. Look at that, it's grabbing the roots and everything. It's really, look at that. Just a whole section right there I was able to pull out very easily with this. And just keep going till it's all gone. And look at that. In just a few seconds, really, I took out this entire overgrowth of clover. Look at that. I am really quite impressed with this particular product. The metal and the bamboo together just make a really good product here. And all we're left with is a hole. Now you might have some dirt or something or some seed to go back through and fill these holes with, but look how easy it is to just simply remove all these weeds. Go get yourself a standing weed puller. Link in the description. And remember to take care of your tools so they last longer. Wash the dirt away before you put it away. WilFiks. I really do like this product, and it's actually really fun to use. Don't waste your time, hurt your back, and hurt your knees. Go get one of these awesome standing weed pullers.
And if this video has helped you out, help me out. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends, comment, and most importantly of all,
Subscribe.
subscribe.